Willpower and motivation have been proven to rarely work at creating consistency. You need something more. You need something that adds fuel to the fire. Those things are two things: your identity and your purpose. You cannot want to change, you have to be changed. So how do you become something that you aren't? By stacking achievements. I am the doctor of consistency, and I've researched everything about this topic, and I am telling you this is what you need to do to stay consistent. Every day is an opportunity to stack achievements. Every day is an opportunity to eat right, work out, and do your work. You will blink and you will already be in bed. So you might as well blink, but know you did the work in bed. The easiest way to find your purpose is to stay bored for an entire week. I'm talking no phones, no computers, bland food type of bored. You get me? Like, literally the most entertaining thing you will do is stare at the wall and think. The good thing about this is that you only have to do this once. And the reason why you do this is because at the seventh day will be the day that you don't feel attached to your games, you don't feel attached to your Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and whatever you feel that you have to do on the seventh day is what you need to start doing. For example, it can be I have to start a business. It can be I have to start a YouTube channel. It can be I have to work out. I have to eat right. I have to get fit. I have to get good marks. Whatever it is, whatever you feel like you have to accomplish is what your purpose is. And purpose is not like, it's not one thing, it's many things. Think of it like a rose. The rose has a core and it's surrounded by leaves. And when it blooms after each leaf has been uncovered. That's what you have to do to bloom your purpose. You have to uncover each leaf, and each leaf might take you months, years, but it's essentially what you're made for. This is what you have to do. This is your purpose. So your purpose right now might be to get fit, and then it can be to start a YouTube channel, and then it can be get good marks, and then it can be start a business, and eventually after all of these you get to one thing and you stick, and eventually you will stick with one thing. I cannot say that I've reached that because I'm still uncovering. Like, for example, what I felt like doing on the seventh day was do YouTube, because I've been doing YouTube, but I've not been consistent in it. So this is the protocol that I am giving you, that you have to do. Just take 1 week. You only have to do this once. That's the good thing about it. And once you find your purpose, you get to just work on it. It doesn't, like, well, you can watch my other videos, or you can go to the description where I basically go over everything you need to know about like consistency and the goals and everything. But basically, like, if you want to start a business, you have to break it down. If you want to get fit, you have to break it down. Break down your goal, where like you have 10K per month, and then you break it down. I have many videos on this, but if you want to skip all of those videos and just go straight to reading, I have the free consistency jump starter, or you can buy my $50 product where I go over everything about consistency. I genuinely think that it might help you, because I put everything I know about this topic in a way that you can understand it and absorb it. So once you have your identity, I want you to make it aligned with your purpose. For example, on the seventh day, you feel like you have to get fit. So rather than being like, oh, I'm fat right now, I want to get fit, be like, I'm already fit. I'm just cutting right now. I'm already an athlete. I don't do this stuff. That's basically like, you get your identity, and then you align your identity with your purpose. And it can take 7 days, or it can take 6 months, depending on when you start. But the earlier you start, the better. Do not procrastinate, because procrastination is the killer of dreams. You will blink and it will all be over. I'm literally saying that. At the start of this semester, because I'm in university, at the start of this semester, I blinked, and now I have finals tomorrow. I have finals, my finals are starting tomorrow. So Do not underestimate how fast time will flow. You do not have a decade, you have one blink. Think of it like that. You do not have 10 years to wait, you have one blink. You will blink once and 10 years will have passed. The same thing with COVID. COVID essentially passed in a blink. Like you remember the day COVID started, and then you just remember being here now. You get me? Check out the first link in the description, because that's where the doctor of consistency, basically treats the illness of you. You have an illness, that illness being you're not consistent, and there can be many symptoms. Check out the first link in the description if you want me to treat your illness.